So, you got a beautiful Cadillac, right? The only problem? No front license plate. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. First, I want to go over a few things that you're going to need. One, your new license plate. Two, optional is a rag. I would recommend it. And then you'll need either a screwdriver or a drill, whichever is more convenient. And then you need a bracket and screws or something to mount it to the car. I ended up buying this one off of Amazon here. I'll put the link in the description below. It comes with this nice silicone bracket. It's really flexible and it's going to help reduce some of the noise. So that's going to be nice. And that kit comes with all the screws and hardware that you're going to need. And these very nice instructions. But these instructions come with things like this. Note, base cap direction, snap face cap, use big force. So I thought I would do also review on this as well, just trying to clarify that. So far it seems like a really good material. I would highly recommend it, and you can use this for the front or the rear. First things first, you're going to use that rag. I'm just going to wipe this down. Really, you're just trying to take off the, anything you have behind there. We've had some snowy days here in Colorado, so a little bit dirty, but really just a nice light, nice rub to get that, just clean a little bit. Next up, we're going to be using this silicone mat. We're going to be putting the license plate in this silicone mat. So the way we're going to do that, I recommend just starting off with one of the corners, just sliding it in, and you kind of just got to work your way around, all the way around. It stretches a little bit so you can kind of pull it and just walk it over to seal that in nice and snug. But like I said, the material feels really nice, and because it's silicone, it's going to help reduce some of the vibration noise, so you won't hear it banging up against your car. This car it's plastic, so it won't be as bad, but depending on your car, you could get some loud noises. What's nice about this one, you can kind of see maybe there's these holes at the bottom that help if there's any rain or water. It's not going to get stuck in here and start rusting out your license plate. It'll be able to drain out the bottom, keeping your license plate nice and fresh. So now we got this. Next up, coming down here, and let me show you these holes. All right, so down here, you're gonna have a couple of these holes here, hopefully. If not, you're gonna need, it's a 3/16 drill bit, and just go ahead and drill right through. I know it's a little bit scary drilling into the car, but that's all right, go ahead and do that. Like I said, it's 3/16 for these screws that we're gonna use, and straight hole right here, somewhere up front here. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, once we have it, these other plastic pieces that come with the set, I'm gonna use one of those, and one of these black screws that also is with the kit. This is gonna act as a washer. So we're gonna put this through here into the bolt, like so. And this, I think it's easiest to go ahead and put it through right there. And then this, we're gonna push right in here. And then here's where either your screwdriver or your drill come in handy. These are flathead screws, so just, you're gonna get it started. Definitely not gonna put it on all the way. With these SRXs, this front is curved, so it's actually gonna bend the license plate just a little bit, which is great. Another reason why to get this silicone one versus a hard one, it's not gonna bend as easy. So this, and on my car, the holes are, at the very end. So it's gonna be in there nice and tight. So this one, just go ahead and drill that. Get it in there. There we go, just like so. Nice and snug. Go back to this one, tighten it up, and that should feel nice and sturdy in there. If you look behind on an SRX, there's a foam pad in there, and these screws are gonna grab onto that. If you don't have an SRX, then you would put one of these behind it, which are also included in the kit. This little plastic piece here, and these black screws will go right into there. I noticed that this, you have to actually apply quite a bit of force to get it started in there. So if your car doesn't have something behind that the screws can go into, then you need to put these behind that the screws can really dig into. So I mean, that feels pretty secure. I'm gonna hit this one just a little bit more. There we go. That feels nice and tight. You don't need two on the bottom. If you have them on the top, that's gonna be fine. Hit this one more time. Go back to this one, kind of working this way. Oh. Great, that's going to be on there nice and tight now. Last thing with this kit, it gives you these black caps here, and you can just put these on the front just like this, and they'll pop over these washers that you had put on earlier, right over these like this. Oh. Pop it on just like so. Well, that's it. You can tell it was very easy. Definitely less than 5 minutes to do. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments below. If you found it helpful, like this video, subscribe. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos about my SRX and other things car related. And if you have a specific question or thing you'd like me to do, please write it in the comments and I'll see if I can get to that. So thanks for watching and take care.